metal or concrete. For sure.
Plans for their 2-room mega den.
You're losing a tiny bit of your closet, but you will still have your closet, I promise. But what we are going to do is we're actually going to take out your little divider there that makes it feel kind of like a vestibule. Straight shot, boom, right in. Instead, focuses on something other than the hallways and doors that just leads up to places.
What is he looking for?
He's probably dropped some of it. Gizmo. He got it.
Opening up the door, ripping out the wall, building furniture from scratch.
We are ripping out the wall.
Outstanding.
Mom, take a video.